want people to talk about mental health in the same way that you talk about your physical, medical health. It's a part of the human experience and is normal. I realized my own mental health wasn't negotiable when I became a mom. It really forced me to think about what are those things I'm going to do to be intentional about my health. This is a tough time right now for parents, and I think things that leaders can do to support their team is check in with people. What are some of the challenges they're having in terms of work, homeschool, household responsibilities, children, and all of these different aspects which really can put a huge burden on an individual. What can you do as a leader to support them? Maybe they start their day earlier, they have a break in between, and then pick up responsibilities and tasks at the end of the day. With all that is happening in this world, thinking about those strategies that may help is especially important. My name is Dr. Nicole Cammack, and I'm ready to make change.